No matter what your project is, you want to complete it perfectly. So you design meticulously. Construct tools to meet the most demanding tolerances. And injection mold with the utmost precision. Simcon helps you reduce correction loops while saving time, money, and stress. With our Cadmould simulation software, you can simulate your injection molding project down to the smallest detail. Cadmould allows you to easily and quickly achieve extremely precise results. This means you can determine the most effective injection point for optimal filling, minimize shrinkage and warpage, determine mold compensation and export it to CAD, identify the ideal position for cooling channels, and establish the right throughput and temperature for the cooling agent. No matter whether you're working with thermoplastics, elastomers, or special materials like biocomposites, our software computes results easily, rapidly, and precisely. Cadmould is fully modular and extensible, so you only need to purchase the features you actually require for your work. Requirements continue to increase. Hundreds of dimensional tolerances at once, short cycle times, and lower clamping forces. The fully integrated software Veramos helps you with these issues. Veramos optimizes parts, molds, and processes for you fully automatically. The program runs large numbers of simulations automatically and selects the best solution. No matter whether you're a designer, engineer, toolmaker, or injection molder, Cadmould and Veramos supply the right solution for you and many others. Contact us anytime for a free consultation. We'll be happy to advise you.